Thank you. I think there's a lot of things that we are doing new here. First thing, we first brought in Max Pro at the last Label Expo, but now this time we're bringing Max Pro with a complete solution with Max Color and also with smart screening. And smart screening is something very interesting. It is helping enhance the Flexo label quality. So the software is now an integral part of the hardware. So that's how we are looking at the whole solution. Yeah.
So how's the response been at Label Expo India?
Very good. Got a lot of good prospects and maybe a couple of sale also. So that's very nice. Yes, that's right. Yes. So I think the customers are maturing now. Looking at the demo, they're able to understand the technology. Yeah.
And you said that it's not just Max with the other products that you showcase. So tell us a little about the other products.
Ideally, any solution. For example, you're talking about the printing industry. It has to be all connected. So unless you connect all the dots, then it's not possible to give a very good solution. So we believe that from the very start point where the data comes in and till the output goes on to his customer, everything has to be connected. So the software, the color management, the data coming in, the monitor, the proofing, the print, all has to match. So many of my customers like VPR Studio, Numex Blogs, Color Dots, Shilp Gravure, all have connected these things and be able to give this a good solution to the customer.
Great, that's amazing. So what are your expectations from all these products that you've spoken about from the Indian market in the near future?
Indian market is a growing market and of course it's a very price conscious market, and we're trying to bring up the awareness. The biggest thing that is we are not aware of is we bring machines into India. The same machines are here also, the same machines are there abroad also, but they're able to give very high quality. So quality comes at a price, but yet understanding the Indian market, we need to look at keeping our prices down and bring innovative solutions. And that's what we are coming into. We're coming into more innovations of solutions which are suited for the market to make it high quality as well as educate them.
And how's the acceptance coming along in the Indian market for these products?
Acceptance is a little bit slower because people always are following somebody here. So it's always mainly that one person does it and I want to do it also. But in that case, we are trying to educate by one more company we have got as Color Mechanics, where we are educating and doing seminars for the customer. So once we do seminars, we're bringing the awareness coming up, and that's why we are seeing changes in the market.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
You're
much
most
for
welcome.
talking to us.
You're most
Thank you
welcome.
so much.